everybody, it's Kendall right here, the youngest certified farmer. And I grow fruits, veggies, and herbs. And is that right, friends? You're tuned in with From the Kitchen with Kendall. That's me. And I'm going to show you how to make fresh and easy recipes from my garden. And today, I'm going to make strawberry popsicles. I wonder where my assistant went. After washing, you can cut the tops off.
Alright, so we're going to take the cutting board,
Slice them up.
snap the tops off because Kendall Ray is a little too young. But what Kendall can do, what you can do?
I can take one and get the tops off like this. I know.
Okay, go third.
Okay, so we got all the ingredients, which are strawberries, honey, and water. so first we're gonna load up all the strawberries.
Yep. Let's put some more. Let's put more.
Yeah. Yeah. And next we got some honey. Should we taste test it?
Just a tad bit. Let's see what the honey is working with. Where'd that honey come from?
From my bees.
All right.
Okay, taste test it too.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, let's scrape it out into the bowl.
It's looking so good.
Looking so good. Looking so good. Ooh. Now, you want to try it? Go ahead. You finish it out.
Okay.
Oh, the honey. 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 Oh, Lord.
Okay, I'm not very good.
All right, you got it. All right.
No.
Let's all right, that's cool. Hit that one right there.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Look at that.
Yeah, it looks so satisfying to watch.
It is satisfying to watch. Alright.
So you don't want to get dirty, do we? So we're gonna use this trick to get in nice and easy.
Alright. Your top might not be on tight. Let's see. Alright, then you squeeze it out first. Put it into the mixture. And then swirl it.
It's coming on.
Squeeze it on in.
Okay.
There you go. You got a hole in this or something. There we go.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Squeeze it on in. Alright, keep going. Now squeeze the sides back. The other side, there you go. Ooh, you got a lot in there. Go get it.
It might get a little messy sometimes, but
Keep going. You gotta fill it all the way up to that line right there. Now squeeze the sides back. There you go. All the way to the line. Boom, you got it. Next one.
okay. That's a lot.
Yeah. You almost got it in one go, girl. Almost one go. That was good. Strawberry freeze pop. Strawberry popsicle. Strawberry freeze pop. Strawberry popsicle.
Yeah. Nobody listen to my dad's terrible jokes.
Hey, aren't you excited?
No, I'm really
We
excited.
haven't had these since last year.
Yeah. These are like a family tradition to us.
Oh, get messy.
Yep.
That's just one to drop.
It's okay if you get messy. What matters is you're having fun with your family.
And you're not too messy anymore. Just one to drop. It's not a lot drop.
Yep. As long as your mom don't get mad, I'll put it on the table.
Ooh, you like that one drop. One go.
But we don't talk about that.
Let's see. Ooh, almost.
Oh, that in one go. This is going very fast. It might take a while, but you get it.
Yep, that's the last one.
That's about it.
Now, what's the last thing we gotta do? So what's the last thing we have to do?
We got to top it off. Oh. Okay.
and we're ready to go in the freezer.
We'll see you back later.
Time to reveal. Oh, look at that. How does it taste? How does it taste? I have to know.
Delicious, as always.
Alright, now this is the old school way to do it. Put it in a Dixie cup. That's good.
Straight from heaven.
That's too good.
Follow me on Instagram and YouTube for more exciting adventures. Others from bringing my show to you. Enjoy!
I will.